This video will watch the best ratings of rolling Christmas tree storage box with over 2,000 customer reviews. Zober Super Rigid Rolling Christmas Tree Storage Box. Canvas fabric with cardboard inserts. Opens wide for easy input access. Artificial tree storage bag. Fits up to 7.5 feet. Wheels and handles for carrying rolling tree box. Great results, simple assembly. Be aware of the sturdy build of the box. It takes nothing to set up. Unzip the interior zipper. Insert cardboards. Zip up. Good to go. Wide opening. No struggle. No trouble. Just joy and ease. The top of the box unzips on 3 sides, leaving you with a massive opening to effortlessly insert your tree. Removal is just as easy. No need to fight your tree box. Freestanding. Independence is happiness. Box stands upright independently, making storing the tree a breeze. Unzip and deposit. No tugging, supporting, or gripping is necessary. Durable canvas. The toughest there is. Nothing less than the best. Tree box is crafted of exceedingly tough canvas that'll withstand the rough and tumble mannerism. 600 denier Oxford ensures the box doesn't rip, warp, or flimsily collapse. On wheels. Do get your tree stored. Don't break your back doing so. The box has smooth rolling wheels that make transferring the box fun. You might live to see people fighting for the joy of storing it. Dual zipper. No reason to wrestle with zippers. A dual zipper allows you to smoothly zip and unzips the tree box. The zippers have a comfortable grip and close in 2 directions, making it easier to close an overstuffed tree box. Easy identification. Know what's underneath. The card slot is just the right size for a neat label of exactly what the box contains. Always be in the know. No surprises or duplicate purchases. Problem solved. Finally, a storage solution for that bothersome, cumbersome tree. The tree box is roomy enough to fit a 7.5 feet tree comfortably. The tree won't be bruised, dented, or broken from tight space. In addition, the box has interior spare pockets for miscellaneous decorations. Comforts and ease. A cushioned hand grip allows you to gracefully wheel the tree box from room to room, carry it up the stairs, or retrieve it from your storage room. Sturdy enough to carry its weight without ripping detaching. If your tree or any of your holiday decor will spend the year in your attic, the least it needs is air to breathe. Crafted a breathable canvas, no moisture, dust, or mites will access your precious tree. Retrieve it in the coming year, fresh as new. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching.